What are we doing today, Lex?
Fuck you.
The doctor's stuck in the Pandorica. Amy might be dead and Rory's a Roman with a gun inside his hand. Seems like things aren't going as planned. River's in the TARDIS is on fire. She's feeling the heat on repeat. She'll require someone she can trust, someone with a bow tie, but he's been locked up and left to die.
Oh my god, what will they do? Seems impossible to get through. My mind is blown up and yours is too. Well, I guess this is Doctor Who.
Rory's quite distressed and he starts to sob when the doctor appears with a mop. Get me out of the Pandorica. But you're not in the Pandorica. Yes I am, well, yes I was. It's complicated but I won't explain it now because then he disappeared into a hazy fuzz. That man, I can't explain what he does the things he does.
Oh my god, I don't have a clue. These paradoxes are hard to construe. My mind is blown, I bet yours is too. Well, I guess this is
That's
Doctor
my least favourite thing that's ever happened.
It's the Big Bang 2 and I need to review what on earth just happened before my eyes. Time is gone askew, the universe has to. I'll try and explain to you the Big Bang 2. The Big Bang 2. The Doctor's got River's vortex manipulator, which we used to meet Rory 2,000 years later. When they find Amy after her sleep in the box, they realize the sun is really the exploding TARDIS. Doctor saves River from the imitator star. This woman, when she's back, can't help but point out the obvious.
Oh my god, he's wearing a vest. Oh my god, he's wearing a vest. Oh my god, he's wearing a vest. Oh my god, he's wearing a vest.
A Dalek pops up out of nowhere, shoots the Doctor, kills him, quite unfair. He jumps back 12 minutes to the stairs. He's dead, and everyone despairs. Little do they know the Doctor lies. He's gone, stopping the universe's demise. Amy says her last goodbyes. Doctor flies up into the skies. The universe is back, it's true, but the Doctor said his final adieu. Maybe you'll come back if she remembers you. It's the Big Bang 2 and I need to review what on earth just happened before my eyes. Time has been run new, the universe has too, but Amy still can't help but cry. There's someone missing, the question's who. Then she remembers something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. And that's the Big Bang 2. I hope it didn't confuse you.
TARDIS reporting from the TARDIS.
Oh,
Intro video.
we should review all the videos we've missed over the last 7 months.
Okay, so we are skeptical, but we really like being the TARDIS. So at the end, goodbye, hello, goodbye, we're in the TARDIS.
We trust up on that.
Yeah, nothing else.